What's up YouTube? Jeff back again, and today another very exciting Samsung video for you guys. Today we are going to be talking about an exciting update to the Find My Mobile application in the Galaxy Store that now gives you a very useful security feature for your Samsung Galaxy phones. Just came out a couple days ago. They didn't actually have this update detailed in the changelog that there was a new feature, but there's actually a new feature that's hiding in there that wasn't even mentioned when I did the update. Anyway, before we do get into that, I want to talk about a couple of quick things, reminders. First thing is, I got a brand new case today. People always want to know what case I'm using. This is a brand new case in the house from my friends at Kadabe. This is the Kadabe Sheath in Amethyst. It's an absolutely gorgeous case. They improved so many things from their case, their previous edition. You can see here it's got this beautiful, like, soft touch interior now. Kadabe branding, reinforced corners. The camera cutouts are perfect. The buttons are even more responsive than the S22 Ultra. It's a beautiful case. They got 3 colors. They got black, they got green, they got the amethyst. I'll drop the link below if you guys want to check it out. Highly recommend it. I really like this case a lot. And then the other thing is, I already have pre-orders open for the Galaxy Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5 mystery boxes. So if you're ordering, also Galaxy Watch 6 Pro, if you're ordering any of those devices from Unpacked coming up in a few months, go to my website, sign up for the device you want. It's 100% free. I cover the shipping. You're going to get a free case. You're going to get a free smartphone stand, which is actually this stand right here, the Lamicol folding stand. You're going to get a free cleaning kit, other accessories like car chargers and things, Amazon gift cards randomly inserted. Sign up on the website. Those will ship after the announcement in July or August. Just make sure you read the important things. The only thing you have to do is use my Samsung link at the time of purchase. That's how we fund the program, is by using our affiliate sales to fund the products that go in it. But really excited about that, doing that again. So anyway, let's go ahead and talk about this update. Let me go into the Galaxy Store and actually, wait, let me go back to settings, find my mobile. Let me go into the store so I can show you guys the version here. Gonna go app details in the Galaxy Store, which is right there. And then we can scroll down. You can see the update right here. The version is 7.3.04.5, May 10th, 2023, 10.28 megabytes. You can see there is no detailing of a new feature inside the update, but there actually is a new feature in here. So if you go into, first of all, for those of you who don't know, the way you can use Find My Mobile is by going in Connected Devices and then scrolling down to Smart Things. And then when you go to the Life tab at the very bottom right here, tap on Life, you scroll down, you'll see all of your devices right here. My Galaxy Buds 2 are offline, but you see all my different devices. You'll see their location. You can actually ring the device. It uses the network of Samsung devices to kind of monitor where your different devices are. And see, we can kind of go through all the different devices that I have here. There's my Tab S8 Ultra. You can see it was last updated there. You can go into the Tab S8 Ultra and help you find it. It updates it periodically, of course, because if it updated it all the time, then of course, that would mess up your battery life and things like that. See where it is on the map in Google Maps. Very useful feature overall. But again, they added a new one with this new update. And maybe I'll make a full video on this if you guys are interested in how to use Find My Mobile and to set it up. But the new feature is actually located in Security and Privacy. So if you go into Security and Privacy, you go to Find My Mobile, there's 2 different options here. Allow this phone to be found, and then Offline Finding. And if you go to Offline Finding, there's actually now 5 options. It also gives you the link to where you can find it and shows you which Samsung account that your Find My Mobile is tied to. You see, I've got 43 Samsung devices on my account. Absolutely crazy, but considering that I do this channel, it's not too surprising, I suppose, to you guys. So you can see the link where you can actually go in a browser and a computer to find it. So here are the 5 options. Allow the phone to be found, remote unlock, which basically would allow you to go to this link up here, remotely unlock your phone, send last location, so even if your phone dies, it'll send the last known location, offline finding, and this one is important because this allows your phone to be found by other people's devices when it's not connected to a network. This is basically using that network of Galaxy devices, just like Apple does with the Find My iPhone. It's very useful, but also you have to be aware that other people would be able to see your device's location. You can encrypt the offline location as well for added security, and that then makes it so it's a little bit easier to have some additional protection when doing this. So you can encrypt the location if you want to. I'm not going to do it right now, so we can see this new feature. The new feature is right here. retrieve calls and messages. And so what this does, this is the new one with the new update, to retrieve calls and messages from this phone in case it gets lost, allow the call logs and SMS permissions for SmartThings Find. So if you hit allow, then it's going to turn this on. So basically, if you lose your phone and you're not with your phone, you could go to this link up here, and let's say you need to retrieve important, call numbers from your call logs or voicemail or text messages from your SMS. You would then be able to download all that information from the SmartThings link, which you could then transfer to a new phone in the instance that you're not able to locate your old phone and you have to move on to a new device. So this is particularly useful. It's too bad Samsung didn't detail it in the changelog, but there it is. Retrieve calls and messages. I highly recommend if you use Find My Mobile that you do enable it. Let me know again if you guys would like to see a full tutorial on how I use Find My Mobile, how to set it up on your devices. If you're not using it, you definitely should be, because obviously if you lose your device, it's something very useful to have. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification icon, future videos like this. The wallpaper, the icon pack will be linked in the description as usual. Also, link to the new Kadabi sheath in amethyst will be below as well, so you guys can check that out. And don't forget to sign up for those mystery boxes on my website if you're ordering a Z Fold 5, Z Flip 5, Galaxy Watch 6 Pro in the next couple months when the launch comes. Appreciate you guys checking it out. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot for watching.